Lumens, your success, our focus.
This is a quick overview showing you how to use the PS753 Record function. The video is divided into 4 simple steps. Let's get started by looking at what equipment you need. Your document camera connects to a monitor using an HDMI cable. And you need a USB drive for storing the recordings. Attach the power cable, USB drive and HDMI to the monitor. Step 2. Before you begin recording, you can control the PS753 by using either the control panel or the remote control. When you insert the USB drive, click Yes when this message pops up. Press the menu button and go to Settings. Next, change Capture Mode to Record and change Stream to USB. Step 3. You're now ready to start recording. Press the record button to start recording. Press again to stop and save your video. Step 4. It's easy to play back your recorded video. Here's how you do it. Press the playback button to see all your files. Then select the recording you want to watch. If you want to delete any file, just press Capture/Delete. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.